divateetee, and I am back with another video, guys. And today I'm gonna be doing something different. This is gonna be a mini sunglasses haul, guys, from dimeoptics. Okay, I just love these glasses. Okay, so I just want to show you how much of a good quality they are for an affordable price. That's what I like, that's what I love, and I'm sure you guys at home like it and y'all love it too. So let me just show y'all what they're giving. Okay, I've already opened my packaging, but I want to show you guys the packaging that they come in. I want to show you guys the packaging that they come in. Super cute. This is Cali. I don't want to mess up the last name. The collab with Cali Uchis. And at least this one pair is Cali Uchis. Let me stop saying that name because I messed it up. But anyways, it's from dimeoptics. So I'm gonna show you my first pair. Super cute. Okay, so first of all, the duster bag or the glasses bag says dime bag. Okay, dime bag. Okay, and so just let me show you guys how cute. So they come in this little zippy lock, and it says dimeoptics, y'all. Okay, so let me just wipe them off though, just to make sure no fingerprints, and we can just get the aesthetic of how they just looking. Okay, so I love these. Look at them. Like a wood grain. It almost looks like leopard, low-key leopard design. Okay, and that's all the way around. You do have the dime on the side and gold. Let's focus that. Okay, and let me just try them on for you. Okay, check it out. I'm cute. Okay, and let me just tell you about the quality. Very thick, and it feels very sturdy. Nothing is flimsy about it. These are affordable, and I am just loving it. Okay, yes guys, I got these from dimeoptics. Okay, make sure y'all check them out. I will link their TikTok, Instagram down below, as well as the website. I'm just loving them. Okay, all right, let me see what their name is on the website so y'all can. Okay, so these glasses that I have on, their name is called the Cali Sunset Tortoise Brown Gradient Sunglasses, and I think they value at, let me see, I'm looking on their website. Let me see. I cannot tell you the value. But anyway, these are the Cali Sunset Tortoise Brown Gradient Sunglasses, and they are given. I will link them down below in the description box. Therefore, you can, you know, check out the price. They are affordable and stylish, and of course, it looks great with what I have on. I have on my jogging suit, or you want to call it a jogger, but super cute. I can't even see in these. Let me just tell you how dark the lenses are. So ain't no sun coming through these. Okay, your eyes will be thoroughly protected, and because yes, your eyes will be thoroughly protected. Okay, you ain't even got to worry. I'm trying to step back so y'all can just see. Okay, y'all see better? Yes. Okay, so they are giving. I'm gonna comment down below and let you know how much they cost, and the link down below so that you can purchase. Cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go on to the next pair of sunglasses. I'm just gonna put them back in the baggie, and we're gonna do it like that. Okay, so the next pair of sunglasses I just absolutely love. They are big frames. Okay, and when I tell you nothing is cheap, nothing is flim-flammy, ain't nothing flim-flammy over here. Okay, so let me just check it out for you. I mean, let me just put these on for you. I'm gonna put it on every single time. Okay, I love eyewear, I love sunglasses, and yes, these are giving what they're supposed to be giving, okay? Y'all see? Hello, you think they not? I love the big frames. And the name of the sunglasses are called Anonymous Taupe Crystal plus Brown Gradient Sunglasses, okay? Yes, yes, y'all. So cute, fabulous. I think they fit my face. What do you guys think? Comment down below. I absolutely love them. Yes. Okay, dimeoptics coming through with the sleigh. And of course, again, they're hitting on my outfit. Okay, they're hitting. I mean, y'all can't see the full outfit, but in another video that I post, you can see the whole outfit, and you'll see that these glasses fit my outfit perfect, okay? So yes, y'all, get into the sunglasses, okay? Perfect. Let me see how they look just sitting on the forehead. Cute and casual, okay? They look like they cost more than probably $20 or $30. I seen one pair was, I think the other pair I had on was like $22 or $33 or $30. I mean, however, whatever the price is, you know, that is affordable, it's still giving what it's supposed to give, okay? It's not giving cheap at all. And when we buy items, we don't want to look cheap. We want to look like you know, it costs a million bucks. But let me run it back though. Let me run it back so y'all can just see both at the same time. Oh, I forgot to describe these to you guys. So it has the big dime on the side. It has big dime right here. And then you have another dime on the side. And then let me just show you the inside. Yes. So yes, yes, y'all. I want to try these in white as well, and I want to try these in black because they are bussin', okay? So these are the two items. My camera's gonna die. Okay, guys, so I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm really out this time. Bye. Okay. We want to have quality, and of course, if it's for a reasonable price, that's right down our alley, okay? So this is going to be the end of this video. This is a short sunglasses haul, 2 pairs. I absolutely love it. I love eyewear, eye fashion, eye candy, okay? So I had to show it to you guys and bring it to you guys. And yes, yes, y'all, I am Tiffany, also known as divateetee on all social media platforms. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel because, like I said, you never know what I'm going to post or when I'm going to post. I need to get on the schedule with that, though. I'll post the schedule. But, yes. So, anyways, guys, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so, so, so much. Join me, Tiffany, and the family, okay? These are bussin'. All right, y'all. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. Peace.